Reminders of Him, a novel. Author Colleen Hoover. Colleen Hoover once again demonstrates her unmatched ability to tug at heartstrings with Reminders of Him, a profoundly moving story of redemption, forgiveness, and love. The novel centers on Kenna Rowan, a young woman released from prison after serving time for a tragic mistake. As she tries to rebuild her life and reconnect with her 4-year-old daughter, Kenna faces a wall of judgment and resistance from the people who care for the little girl. What makes this novel exceptional is Hoover's ability to humanize Kenna, a character grappling with guilt, shame, and longing. Her journey is raw and emotional, with every struggle and triumph rendered in vivid, heart-wrenching detail. Ledger Ward, the local bar owner and one of the few who might help her bridge the gap to her daughter, adds complexity to the story as he wrestles with his own conflicting feelings. Hoover's prose is both lyrical and straightforward, capturing the beauty and brokenness. The alternating perspectives allow readers to immerse themselves in the characters' lives, offering empathy for both Kenna's plight and the protectiveness of those who want to shield her daughter. Themes of forgiveness and the enduring power of love resonate deeply throughout the narrative. Hoover doesn't shy away from the messiness of life, and that authenticity is what makes Reminders of Him so impactful. This is a story of hope in the face of despair, and the strength it takes to rebuild bridges that seem forever burned. Reminders of Him is a must-read for fans of emotional, character-driven novels. It's a poignant reminder of how far love and understanding can go in healing even the deepest wounds. Prepare to cry, cheer, and ultimately feel a little more hopeful about the resilience of the human spirit. It Ends With Us, a novel. Colleen Hoover's It Ends With Us is a deeply emotional and thought-provoking novel that tackles complex issues with sensitivity and authenticity. The story follows Lily Bloom, a driven and resilient young woman, as she navigates the highs and lows of love, family, and self-discovery. Lily's journey begins with her chance meeting with Ryle Kincaid, a charismatic and ambitious neurosurgeon. Their passionate relationship seems idyllic, but as the layers of their bond unravel, darker truths emerge. Intertwined with this present-day narrative is Lily's past relationship with Atlas Corrigan, her first love, whose reappearance further complicates her life. What makes It Ends With Us stand out is Hoover's masterful exploration of difficult topics such as domestic violence, trauma, and the cyclical nature of abuse. The book doesn't shy away from portraying the complexities of love and forgiveness, forcing readers to confront their own perceptions and biases. Lily's voice is raw and relatable, and her struggles are portrayed with such honesty that it's impossible not to root for her. Hoover's writing is poignant, blending moments of joy and heartbreak seamlessly, ensuring the story lingers long after the final page. This is not just a love story, it's a narrative about strength, resilience, and breaking cycles. The author dedicates the book to survivors of abuse, and her personal connection to the subject matter shines through in every word, making it both heartfelt and impactful. It Ends With Us is a novel that will leave you feeling shattered yet hopeful, making it a must-read for anyone who values stories of personal growth and empowerment.